The hell? Another severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go. I made it in time.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Mercer and Venango.
Oh shit, we're
The
under it now.
National Weather
My
Service
county's
in
under it.
Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Venango County
That's me.
in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 5:19
That's my
p.m.,
area.
a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of Greenville, or 12 miles north of Grove City, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles
That's
per
us.
hour.
We're in it now.
Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
What the hell?
Locations impacted include Franklin, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Stoneboro, Polk, Sandy Lake, Fredonia, Cooperstown, Utica, New Lebanon, Sheakleyville, Morris K. Goddard State Park. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 126 and 137. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Holy crap, I'm now under it. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, actually just 3 severe thunderstorm warnings now in one watch, which is our area right now. My God.